the last topic of your chapter, that is to find the rational number between the two given rational numbers. After this topic, we will go with the word problems on all the four fundamental operations of rational number. So this is your last topic of the chapter. Now we have learned in 7th standard that how many rational numbers are between the two given rational numbers. Before answer that, first answer me how many integers are between -2 and 2. How many integers are between -2 and 2? Then what you will say me? That -1, 0, 1, these three integers. Okay? If I will ask you how many integers are between 1 and 2, then you don't have any answer because you will say that there is none of the number integer is between 1 and 2. But we have learned that there are infinite rational numbers. Infinite rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. Given rational numbers. So keep this thing in your mind that already learned in 7th standard that there are infinite rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. So we can find out 10 rational numbers, 100 rational numbers, 1000 rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. Now the question arises how to find it. Okay? So to find a given rational number, it means single. Only one rational number. For this, we can go with an example. Suppose A by B is a rational number and C by D is a rational number. And we have to find out a rational number. It means one rational number between it. So we can go with the formula 1 by 2 in bracket A by B plus C by D. So only a single rational number you can find out by the addition of the rational number and divide it by 2. So go with an example. If you have to find out a rational number between 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. You have to find out a rational number between 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. So how to calculate it? Simple. 1 by 2 and in bracket 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Now 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6, again you have to find out the LCM, that will be 6. It is equals to 1 by 2 and here when you multiply by 2 it is equals to 4 plus 5 upon 6, which is equals to 1 by 2, 4 plus 5, that is 9 by 6, which can be divisible by 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. 1 by 2 multiply by 3 by 2, which is equals to 3 by 4. So a rational number between 2 by 3 and 5 by 6 is 3 by 4. So we can find out any rational number between the given two rational number with the help of your formula, that is 1 by 2 and summation of the both rational number. Now we have to say that how can we find out 10 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers and 100. It means infinite rational numbers between the two. Now we will see insert more than one rational numbers between the given two rational numbers, because we know that there are infinite rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. Now how to insert? First write down the two given rational numbers between which we have to insert the rational number. The first step is to make the denominator same with the help of LCM. So what is the LCM of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2? That is equals to 6. For making the LCM 6, we are multiplying by 2 and here we will multiply it by 3. So what will be your answer? It will be 2 by 6 and 2 by 6. Oh, sorry. And it will be 3 by 6. Now 2 by 6 and 3 by 6, if you will see, there is no rational number between 2 and 3. Now we have to multiply some more to the numerator and the denominator. So there will be a gap between these two given rational numbers. Suppose I will multiply by 10 to both the rational number to its numerator and the denominator. So what this number will become 20 upon 60 and it will become 30 upon 60. Now you will see between 20 and 30 you will get the 9 rational numbers. So you can write that between 20 and 30 any 5 rational numbers, like therefore the rational numbers are 21 by 60, 22 by 60, 23 by 60. You can write many more, 29, 28 by 60, 29 by 60. So out of these you can write any 5 rational numbers. The same way instead of 5, if I will give you to find out 10 rational numbers. So what I have to do? I have to multiply more than 10. Suppose I will multiply here by 100. So what will be this numerator? This number will become, instead of 20 by 60, it will become 200 by 600 and it will become 300 by 600. So now between 200 and 300 you have 99 rational numbers. So you can find out in this way when we are multiplying more number to the numerator and the denominator. But the condition is that you have to multiply same to the numerator and the denominator so that your rational number will not change. And in this way you can find out any rational numbers between the two rational numbers. So I will give you some home assignment to solve the sums to find out a rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. So today your home assignment is this 3 sums. You have to find a rational number. A rational number, it means one rational number. You will go with the formula, that is 1 by 2 in bracket a by b plus c by d. Now 5 rational numbers. So you will think that minus 6 and minus 5, it is not in a form of numerator and denominator. So it is not a rational number, but we can write it as minus 6 by 1 and minus 5 by 1 to write in a rational form. Because 1 can be written as in the denominator. Now again, to make the gap between minus 5 and minus 6, you have to multiply according to you that how much rational numbers you have to find out in the numerator as well as denominator of the both rational number. The third one is 8 rational numbers between x and mod of x, that is your absolute x. We have learned about the first topic, that is absolute value, in first video. So if x is equals to minus 5 by 11, then mod of x will be equals to mod of minus 5 by 11, and we know that the absolute never be a negative number, so it will become 5 by 11. It means in this question you have to find out 8 rational numbers between minus 5 by 11 and 5 by 11. Do it. If any problem, you can ask me. So in this way we have completed all the topics.